our aim for this fall in 2015, as you know, as the summer comes around, the sun is out, people start to think about solar energy, is to go from 90 kilowatts, which we had as of last summer, to about 300 kilowatts. I want to, before I graduate or die, whichever comes earlier, sometimes I keep thinking about that, is I want to make Houghton County the most solar-friendly county, at least in terms of relative population in the whole great country of the United States of America. So let me ask you guys a question. We've talked about how solar is fantastic, wonderful, and everything. You can save money faster in Houghton than anywhere else in the country, and so on and so forth. But why do we still have very little solar energy, even in terms of our population, compared to other places that, as we looked at the data, do not actually pay back as fast? What do you guys think?
Cost of installation.
Excellent. That's one of the problems that a lot of rural communities face, is that we get caught in this circular problem, right? The circular problem being there isn't enough solar, so people are not really interested, which, there's not much demand, there aren't many installers, there's not much demand, costs are high, we keep going in that circle. So essentially, actually, that's, I think you nailed it. You stole my thunder there a little bit, but that's fine, I'm just kidding. What I wanted to do was to try to come up with a way of disrupting that cycle. Right? So with all this information that I have inside my head, what I wanted to do was to talk to people about all the steps that you need to go solar. See, everyone, an average person, doesn't wake up every day thinking about solar energy. I know I do, right? But I can't expect everyone to do that. So if we wanted people to start adopting more solar energy, we need to explain to people the simple steps. Put people in charge of their own solar energy decisions, right? All the things that you need to know about solar. Well, how much, how many solar panels do I need? How much is it going to cost? What are the regulations? What are the angles and all these different things? And so I decided to launch a free public workshop series coming this summer. And the first thing I wanted to do was to help train local high school. I want a grant to help train local high school students on how to advise people on their solar decisions. See, we don't have a lot of solar installers in this county, neither does most of rural America. At least we have a technical university where people can go for help and advice. What does Paragon County have? What does Ontonagon County have, right? But what every county has is a school district. Every rural community has a school district. So if local high school students, that this is again within the reach of them, could be trained to do simple things like solar site assessment. If they came to your home, there's a little device called the Solar Pathfinder that they can put up and then look at where the shadow may be and so on, do the simple math and calculations. That is useful to a lot of people. So this is, I don't know if any of you know high school students in this county, but if you are, I would ask you to sign up for it. I think there might be some places left. I think they're starting to fill up fast. So the next thing is there's a free workshop on the 18th of May. If you guys would like to stop by and learn more. I call it the 6 steps to solar.